I have a list of 5 items here. Let me show you why. Use the len function and you see that it really has 5 items. Now, besides accessing single items out of your list, like that item with index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, so 6.6, you can also access portions of the list. Let's say from 1 to 4. And that will give you another list. So the output of this is also a list. And it's going to contain the items with index 1, index 2, and index 3. The upper limit, it's not included. It's never included in a Python slice. So this is a slice. And this is the output of the slice. Let's try to get the first 2 items of the list. The first 2 items have an index of 0 and 1. So we'll start with 0. Since we also want the item with index 1, we're going to write 2 there, so that we get 1. And that is the output. So the index 2 is not included. 7.5 is not included. And you can also use a shortcut for that. You don't have to type 0 if you meant to get everything starting from the first item. And that will give you the same output. Similarly, if you want to get, let's say, the last 2 items, you can start to count 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3, start from 3. And this has an index of 4, so we're going to write 5 there. Even though we got the expected output, you'd better be using the shortcut for that. So this is more intuitive because it tells you that you're extracting from item with index 3 to the last item of the list, so without knowing how many items there are in the list. Similarly here, you're extracting from the very first item to the item with index 1. Now, for big lists, when you want to extract the last items, it may make not much sense to count from the beginning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. But Python has another system of indexing, and I'll show you that in the next video.